Vestas, we are very proud of our flagship turbine model, which is V164-9.5 MW. And we've installed hundreds of the turbines with this platform. They are very popular. We are very proud of it. The parties maintained a good collaborative approach from the start. We focused a lot on the planning, because planning is everything. You want to get the most out of the equipment you have available.
Cooperation between the three parties has been, I would say, a core element of that success in the installation campaign. Basically because in these sort of projects, I would say it's almost impossible not facing big challenges. We have faced a few challenges, quite important ones in the project, and through a good working relationship between the three parties, we have managed to deliver the installation campaign despite the challenges.
This green mission is in our DNA. Vestas has been providing onshore and offshore turbines for many years, and we definitely feel to be not only a participant but also an active, proactive member of the movement. And that's why we keep pushing the boundaries. We know how much more we can get to lower the cost of energy and then the clean energy. So that's why we keep developing our product.
We're all one team here on the vessel, and it's been a kind of a it's been something that we've made sure we were on top of from day one, to make sure that we're one team. We're all here to do the same job, and that everybody's here to help each other. We all muck in together.
The relationship between Vestas, Fred Olsen and ourselves has been a good one throughout the project. We've adapted to the challenges that the project has thrown at us, and together it's been more of a partnership than a traditional client-contractor relationship. Fred Olsen and Vestas are technically very good at what they do, and that has helped Ocean Winds and the Moray East project develop into what it is now.
Moray East has demonstrated that offshore wind can be a very competitive source of energy with no carbon footprint.
It's all about starting the project on the right note, and that's where the management and the senior management has a very key role here, because the project team need to be placed in a setting of working collaboratively together with the right goals and the right agenda for all parties. And I was very happy to see this from the start with Fred Olsen and Moray East, where the team that went offshore, but also the team that stayed in the back office, everybody had the same goal: to progress safely and then use opportunities we have and mitigate the risk that may come. That was our daily mantra, and it maintained from all these months. It is difficult to maintain it for such a long period, but we managed to maintain this good spirit until the very end, and that get us completion in a very good time and with very good safety records.